Today, I'll show you how to create a trippy reverse boomerang effect in CapCut, a cool rewind motion with added blur and chromatic distortion. Let's get started. First, import your video into the timeline. Now, go to the effects panel and search for reverse. You'll see the reverse effect, drag and drop it onto your clip. Instantly, you'll see the rewind motion applied to your video. Now, let's fine tune it. On the right side editing panel, you'll find a few sliders. Blur. This increases motion blur, making the effect look smoother and more seamless. Chromatic Aberration. This adds colorful distortion around the edges, giving the effect a glitchy, trippy vibe. Speed. Adjust this to control how fast or slow the reverse motion plays. Play around with these settings until you get the perfect look for your edit. Once you're happy with the adjustments, your trippy reverse boomerang effect is ready. And that's it. You've successfully added the reverse boomerang effect in CapCut. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe for more quick CapCut tips.